Good morning, everyone. Say good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what? The cage got delivered. I feel so sorry for the delivery guy because it's heavy and oh my god. Now I just gotta build this. It's for you. Yes. Wish me good luck with that. I'll update you once I'm in the process. I'm not sure I'll be able to do that, but look at her. She's my cute little baby and she deserves to get a big cage. So I'm gonna try my best. I promise. The question is also if she will let me build this because she is not willing to budge a lot. She tends to stay on my hands recently, and yeah, she doesn't want to go back into her nest box, which is fair, which is why we get you a big cage now. You excited? I take that as a yes. Okay, so I'm tempted to just film me trying to build that, but I don't usually edit videos on the second channel. Yes, I know. So this might become a very long video, and in that case, I apologize. Yes. Alright, let's get to it. Okay. See what I mean? It's gonna be very difficult to build. Yes. I mean, I absolutely love that she wants to be around me so much. I take this as a good sign. Is it stapled? Oh my god. Okay, I'm trying to figure this out. Maybe I should put it on the side first. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's not open this standing up. What? I don't even know what. Oh geez, this has so many stickers on it. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. This is probably the wrong way around. It's gonna be fine. Yes, darling. You want to make this a difficult challenge. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I already opened it. Oh my god, you can barely see what I'm doing. Maybe, wait, let me think. Can I prop this up somewhere here? See, I'm a professional YouTuber. Yes, darling. You know, if you stay on my shoulder, that's perfect. Can we just do that? Yeah, I definitely have to update my setup at some point. Yes, darling. Alright. Here we go. What do I do next? Damn. Okay. I see. Yep, was the wrong way around. Doesn't matter. Okay. Woo! Oh, the how is it called again? Styrofoam? It has suffered a bit. Anyway. Okay. Okay. I see cage stuff, so that's good. Definitely the right order. Okay. Look at this. It's gonna be in the cage. I know if it were up to her, she would be out like 24/7 in my room. Stay open. Good. Okay. All right. So we have one grid. That's good. Oh, I think that's the one you pull out. Ah, that's the one at the bottom. Okay. Got it. Guess it has a little handle here. See? Yes. Definitely have to clean it from the styrofoam. There. Yes. Alright. Okay. I hope there is probably instruction thing somewhere in here. Hey, yes? Is he gonna be a cage? Are you excited? I'm excited. God, the metal is ice cold. Yes. Which bin styrofoam belong into? That is gonna be interesting to figure out. Okay. Whoop. Sorry. Stop, you guys. Okay, that's... It's not working. Yes, got it. Okay. Come on. Found the instructions. Oh god. This shouldn't be complicated, right? It's just a bird cage. How complicated can that be? Okay, we found the tray. Yeah. This is for your new cage. You wanna help? I have to put this on the side though. Careful. Good girl. Let's first unpack everything and then I'll figure this out. Ah, yes. Oh god. At least it is in English. That's good. I mean, I ordered this through Amazon, and since I'm in Japan now, a lot of the things I get are just like in Japanese. But this is in English. This is progress. Yes, darling. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Oh no, the little parts spilled. Oh god. Let's just pray everything is here. Okay. Got it. I'm not looking forward to having to recycle all of this. Okay. One by one. Okay. I guess we unpack everything first and then see if everything is there. You know, I hate building furniture, or anything for that matter. Which is ironic because my partner actually is, oh god, what do you say, how do you say it in English? They can make furniture now. That's their job. That's not, I don't know, sorry guys, it's early in the morning for me. Well, it is almost 9 a.m. but I'm calling it early. Yes, darling. To be fair, I got like 1 hour of sleep. Okay. Got it. There's so much styrofoam everywhere. Okay. And more loose screws. Yay. And I dropped you again. Sorry guys. This is gonna be interesting. Yes, darling. I think I will unpack the rest of it first and do like a little cut, and then I'll come back to you. Little update. Guess who earned himself a timeout in the nest box because you refused to stop trying to eat the styrofoam. Now she's pissed at me. I'm very sorry about that. No, you cannot eat the styrofoam. I adore her so much, but damn it, she's getting sassy. Alright, as you can hear in the background, she still has everything in her nest box. I managed to get everything out. I flattened the cardboard and removed as much from the tape as possible. Put all this I had the word, I forgot it. But yeah, put that already in the bag. I am all over, I have like the little crumbs of it. Sorry, I'm a little bit dizzy. My medication lowers my blood pressure, and so I get dizzy when I get up. However, I will probably put this already into cardboard collections downstairs, and hope that there's enough space for this because this is a big one. Damn it. Yeah, but sadly, plastic is not until next week, so I'll have to store that away safely so that little bird will stop trying to eat styrofoam. She's getting so upset with me. As soon as I vacuumed, I can let you out again. Oh, God. I can't even, I don't even think you can see that. I adore you so much. You'll have to be a bit patient. Oh my god. Alright, we got the box removed. I vacuumed everything. It looks... Forgot one. Okay, at last, as long as it's not crumbling, because I just finished vacuuming all the crumbs away. Come on, open. Oh my god. Thank you. There we go. Alright, which means we can now let the little troublemaker out of her cage again. Yeah, as though you did not certainly deserve it. Yes. There you go. Come on. Are you? No, okay. I thought you were sulking. Alright, so next step, let's check if we have everything. Yay! Okay. Try to position you here again. It's working not so well. Now I'm looking down at you. That's not fair. I got this. Okay. I accidentally stacked everything else on top of the instructions. Yay! Good thinking ahead on my part. Can you watch them for a second? No. Got it. Alright. I guess I have a new head now. Yes. You are a bit pouty, aren't you? But it's for your own good. You cannot eat styrofoam. Even though it looks delicious. Believe me, as a child, you can also try that. Okay. Please let this be 12. Okay. We want 4 thin screws and 12 thick screws. They all look the same. Okay. I got this. Okay. I found them. How many? Okay. 4 thin, 12 thick. Okay. 3, 4, 6. Don't roll around. Damn it. Wait. I cannot do this. I need a better setup. Sorry. Okay. So that could be an issue. Is that it? I think we only have 2 thin ones. Okay. There's more. Okay. So that puts us to 3 thin ones. Oh. Nope, that's a thick one. Okay. They look the same. This is driving me insane. Okay. Found it. Crisis averted. Oh, God. Did I mention that I hate building furniture? Okay. 4 thin ones. That's good. So, counting the other skin. 5. Yep. The 2 extras I'm missing for the thin ones, but it doesn't matter because there are 4. As long as I don't break any, which I'll try to avoid. Okay, let's see. At least, yay, we got more trash. Okay, then we have 4 of those, yes. You know what, I'm gonna cut this at this point. I don't think it's interesting for you to figure out, to watch me, figure this out. But I'll keep you updated. Everyone, it's now 7 hours later. The cage is done, but I surrendered. I got help. My wonderful partner helped me with this. And yeah, oh my god, we now are going to end this and bedding, and someone is really excited, hopefully, to get to use their cage. So let's get started. Wait, let me put you over there. Should I even do this? I mean, you can't even see how I put this up. I'm such a good YouTuber, ain't I? Yes, darling! Oh my god. Okay. How do I do this? Ow. Oh god. Come on. working. Come on. It won't budge. I'm not strong enough for this. Okay, this is driving me insane. Why is this? Okay. I'm so bad at this. I can't get this to open far enough to put it on. I try again. Come on. Why is it not working? I'll come back to you once all the toys are in place. Alright, here we go. That's the finished product so far. There will be more added, especially more natural wood purchases, because I know that these smooth ones are not that good for the bird's claws. But yeah, we have the toys added. I just tightened all the screws again. And the last thing we gotta do is to add paper towels to the bottom and food and water, and then Hibiki can finally explore her new cage. I didn't notice that I'm slightly tired by all of this. I still have to run errands today. Oh my god. But yeah, we're making progress. I added the paper towels and some pellets in the bottom dish and some water. So now it's time for our little sassy Budgie. Yes. Oh my god, did you miss me? To explore her new home. Alright, so I'm gonna open the fridge. Check it out. She has zero interest. She's sitting on my phone. Come on. Isn't that interesting? At least a little bit. Look there. It's food and toys. Yeah, so spoiled little bird does not really want to explore a new cage. Which is too bad, because I have to run some errands soon, and in that meantime, you're supposed to rest in your cage. Look, it has toys with belts on them. I even checked with the people who made them that the belts are from safe metal, so that you could play with them. And it has food. Don't you like food? It is so hard to be a parent. They're so ungrateful, but they're so adorable. Oh my god. Come on, check it out. Maybe I tamed the Budgie too much. I know it's new, but aren't you supposed to be curious? Oh goodness. Look. So many fun things. Just for you. Shredding. Yes. Yes, that's progress. I mean, it's not in the cage, but it's on the cage. Oh my god. I love her so much, but oh my god. Come on, toys. I thought Budgies were supposed to like toys. How about I give you some millet? I think that might be a good compromise. Yes, come here. She's sitting on the phone again. That's one of her new favorite places. She also loves watching TikToks with me. Oh, and I completely forgot. Here, we need to add kettlebone. Look, I almost forgot about that. I'm gonna take some millet. Look, you love millet. And I'm just gonna take some kettlebone. And then we're gonna add that to your cage. Isn't it exciting? She never had a full, like, I don't know what to call these things for Miller, but she never had a whole one. I always just broke off little pieces and gave it to her. And today, you're gonna get one. I'm gonna hang it in your cage as soon as I figure out how. Can you come off of my phone? Come on. Thank you. Yes, you want the millet. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get these. Stop that. I'm gonna get one of these clamps. And then we're gonna use that to hang that in your cage. See? Open the cage. And put that. Wait. I got it. See? And then here, right. You look good. See? Wanna get to the millet? Look. I put Millet right in her cage. Anyway, see? On my shoulder. Come on, Daddy. There. It's Millet. Exactly. Just gotta step off. Come on. There's a nice little perch for you. I know it's a smooth one. I'm already on it. Yes, yes, good girl. See? I think I did that good. I'm gonna very quietly close the cage door. She might throw a fit when she realizes that she's trapped again. But yeah, and I'm gonna put cuddlebone in. Oh my god, she's adorable. They actually sent you one of these clamps with it to put in, which is very thoughtful. Maybe she will forgive me if I give her enough millet. Want to make sure Budgie has a healthy diet and a healthy beak. God, I don't like the scent. It's gonna be fine. It's not that strong. Take a piece. Okay, the clamp is buried down there. That's not that smart. So I'm just gonna take. Oh, am I gonna bury it out? I could try and see if the clothing clamps are big enough, but okay. Ah, it's sandy. I dislike this. How do I... Okay. There we go. I have to wash my hands after this. Ah, great. And it fell and shipped. That's probably good to give her a small piece first since she's still so young. Oh god. Oh my god. My sensory issues do not appreciate the texture of this whatsoever. Okay, I got this. Oh god. Just gotta take this small piece. This is revolting. And yeah. How do I put this in the smartest small door? Okay. This is definitely not the smartest. Why did I even open the door? Okay. Now I got it. Okay. That is, well, it works, hopefully. Ta-da! It's a very, very small piece. And she's eating him a little peacefully. I gotta wash my hands, Okay, let's clean this up. Put this cursed things back in its bag. Oh, God. I hate this. Ah. Huh. Anyway, yeah. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. I hate touching any of this. has noticed she's behind bars. Yes. 1 second. Haha. Ew. Gotta clean this. Oh, darling! It's not a bad thing. Yes, I'm right here. Shh, it's okay. Shh, what's going on? Oh, she does not like the cage. Baby, you need a safe enclosure. I know it's new. Wait, let me clean this up. Oh God, I'm right here. Look at that. Here, everything's alright. I know this is new. It's okay. Yes, I'm right here. Oh, look at you. Look. If you get away from the door, I open it, okay? Yes. Look here. Careful. There we go. And here you go. Oh, it's not bad. It's a big cage. See, everything's alright. No. I know. But you can't be around me 24/7. And that's what that cage is for. It's big, it has food and toys. She's unconvinced. Spend a lot of money to get you an extra big cage. Okay. Well, I have some time before I have to run my errands, so I guess I'll spend that with that little, with my little spoiled Budgie before she has to actually settle in her cage. Yes. And that's it for the video for today, I guess. The Budgie got a cage. She does not like it. Yes, it's okay. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. It was a longer video and it was very chaotic as always. And as you know, I don't really edit these. But I hope you liked it regardless. And I hope to see you soon. Subscribe if you don't want to miss out on anything in the future. And I would absolutely love you to pieces if you leave a like or a comment. And yeah, bye everyone.